Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a 2007 Honda Fit headlight. First, gather your tools: a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and the new H4 headlight bulb. Always ensure your car is parked safely on a level surface with the engine off. This simple preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for you. Let's get started with the first step. Now, open your hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see two 10mm bolts on top. Remove these. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight unit forward. This creates enough room to access the bulb without needing to remove the bumper, making it an easy method. Take your time with this step. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy car maintenance tips. On another note, if you love reading, I highly recommend the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for enjoying your favorite books anywhere, even while waiting for your car to be fixed. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the headlight assembly pulled forward, you can now easily reach the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab. Next, unclip the wire retaining spring that holds the bulb securely. Carefully pull out the old bulb. When inserting the new H4 bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands to prevent oil transfer, which can shorten its lifespan. After inserting the new bulb, reclip the wire retaining spring and firmly reconnect the electrical connector. Now, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its proper place. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier, ensuring they are snug. Finally, turn on your headlights to test the new bulb and confirm everything is working correctly before closing the hood.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.